Looking to transform your cabinets or walls with a pro finish? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best airless paint sprayers that actually deliver. These aren't just Amazon bestsellers, they're forum favorites, backed by real users who've put them through serious testing. Whether you're a DIY weekend warrior or tackling your first big project, we've got options that'll save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration.
All the links are down in the description.
Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the VEVOR 750-watt stand airless paint sprayer, and this thing is a serious budget performer. You're getting 3,000 psi of pressure with a wheeled cart design that makes moving around your workspace incredibly easy. The 750-watt motor delivers a 1.2 liters per minute flow rate, which is roughly 67% more powerful than older models. That translates to noticeably faster coverage on walls and cabinets. The infinite speed control lets you dial in the perfect settings for different paint thicknesses. What really stands out is the fan-shaped atomization technology. You get an even, fine finish with minimal overspray, which means less paint wasted and less cleanup afterward. The extension pole they include is genuinely useful for high walls or ground-level work without constantly moving a ladder around. Here's something to consider, though. This is rated for up to 200 gallons per year, which is totally fine for most DIYers. But if you're planning to use this commercially or for multiple large projects back-to-back, you might push those limits. It's built for regular home use, not daily professional abuse. The value here is undeniable. You're spending a fraction of what premium brands charge, and you're getting professional-grade features like adjustable pressure and a detachable pump for easy cleaning. For homeowners doing annual painting projects, this represents incredible bang for your buck without sacrificing quality. At number 4, we have the Wagner Control Pro 130, and this is where things get interesting with their HEA technology. High-efficiency airless means you're getting up to 55% less overspray compared to traditional airless sprayers. Total game changer for indoor cabinet work. The gravity-fed 1.5-gallon tank system is brilliant. You're not stopping every few minutes to refill, and the priming process is genuinely fast and mess-free. That 25-foot hose gives you plenty of reach for most rooms without dragging the unit around constantly. What caught my attention was the softer spray pattern. Users consistently mention better control and a more consistent finish, especially on detailed work like cabinet faces. The T2 spray gun is lightweight with an integrated filter, so you're not dealing with clogged tips mid-project. That's huge. Reality check, though, the 1.5-gallon tank does need refilling on larger wall projects. If you're painting an entire house exterior, you'll be making more trips to your paint bucket than with direct feed systems. It's designed for precision work, not maximum speed on massive surfaces. But that trade-off makes total sense for cabinet and interior wall work. You're applying coatings 3 times faster than rolling with dramatically less overspray than standard airless units. For anyone worried about paint mist settling on furniture or floors, this Wagner model seriously minimizes that headache while delivering pro results. Landing at number 3 is the Graco Magnum X5, and there's a reason this is the go-to recommendation for beginners. This sprayer has built Graco's reputation on being reliable, user-friendly, and consistently delivering quality results without a steep learning curve. The 3,000 psi pressure with 0.27 gallons per minute flow rate handles everything from thick latex to oil-based paints without thinning. That flexible suction tube works with both 1-gallon and 5-gallon paint buckets, giving you serious flexibility depending on your project size. The power flush adapter is genuinely one of those features you don't appreciate until cleanup time. Connect your garden hose, flush the system, and you're done in minutes instead of spending half an hour with buckets and brushes. The SG2 metal spray gun has an integrated filter that prevents tip clogging. That's huge. Something to keep in mind, though, the maximum hose length is 75 feet compared to 100 feet on the X7 model. For most home projects, 25 to 50 feet is plenty, but if you're working on larger properties or multi-story exteriors, that limitation might matter. It's rated for quarterly use, so about 10 gallons per project. The peace of mind factor here is huge. You're buying into Graco's proven track record, widely available replacement parts, and tons of online tutorials from real users. For first-time sprayer buyers who want something dependable that won't overwhelm them with complexity, the X5 is basically the gold standard. At number 2, we're looking at the VEVOR 950-watt model, and this thing is an absolute powerhouse for the price point. That 950-watt motor pushing 3,000 psi with a 2.0 liters per minute flow rate makes this legitimately 5 times faster than rolling and 12 times quicker than brushing. The wheeled cart design with detachable pump makes transportation and cleaning remarkably straightforward. That 25-foot hose provides solid working range, and the adjustable speed control lets you fine-tune everything, from thin stains to thick exterior paints, without any issues. What consistently stands out in recent reviews is the performance-to-price ratio. People are using this on fences, entire house exteriors, and oil-based stains with genuinely professional results. The fan-shaped atomization gives you that even, fine finish with minimal overspray, making indoor cabinet work totally doable. Here's the honest consideration. While VEVOR has been getting solid reviews, they don't have the decades-long track record of brands like Graco or Wagner. Replacement parts and customer service responses can sometimes take longer. If immediate part availability is crucial for your timeline, that's worth factoring in. That said, the value proposition is almost ridiculous. You're getting professional-level specs at a price that's often hundreds less than established brands. For DIYers and semi-professional painters who want maximum power without the premium price tag, this VEVOR 950-watt delivers exceptional performance that genuinely rivals units costing twice as much. Taking the number 1 spot, the Graco Magnum X7 cart, and this is the complete package for serious DIYers and pros alike. This sprayer bridges that gap between entry-level and professional-grade capability in a way nothing else on this list quite matches. The 3,000 psi with 0.27 gallons per minute flow rate, plus the ability to run up to 100 feet of hose, means you're tackling everything from small cabinet projects to entire house exteriors without limitations. That built-in cart with never-flat wheels makes job site mobility absolutely effortless. The adjustable pressure control is where this really shines. You've got ultimate precision for delicate cabinet work, then crank it up for fast wall coverage without switching equipment. The stainless steel piston pump sprays unthinned paints reliably, and that power flush adapter makes cleanup genuinely quick and painless. One thing to consider, this is the priciest option on our list. If you're only painting your kitchen cabinets once and never touching a sprayer again, the X5 or VEVOR options might make more financial sense. The X7 is built for people who use it multiple times per year on various projects. But here's why it's worth it. You're getting that perfect sweet spot of power, versatility, and proven reliability. Users report fantastic results even as complete beginners, some finishing projects in 20 minutes that would have taken half a day with rollers. You're investing in equipment that'll handle any residential painting challenge for years to come, with pro-quality results every single time. Those are your top 5 airless paint sprayers for cabinets and walls in 2026. All Amazon links are waiting in the description below. Pick the one that matches your project size and budget. Thanks for watching, and happy painting.